My camera's moving. There we go. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a what's in my bag video, and it's going to be on my Speedy 30 Bandouliere bag from Louis Vuitton. This bag, I have a previous what's in my bag video on here on my channel, and oh, it's so embarrassing. All my videos are so embarrassing. I realize looking back at those videos, I cannot stand to watch them, to be honest. It's just like embarrassing to watch yourself and to hear yourself talk. And I feel like my personality really doesn't show through in those videos, as well as when I filmed this video, the previous video, I think I had just gotten this bag and I don't know. I didn't know much about it and I just had like a couple things in my bag. It was just so lame. Like, I feel like the video is horrible. I need to redo it. It's been about 3 years. This is still my only high-end luxury handbag, which I hope to change soon. I have like bag shopping fever right now, but I really wanted to go through and show you guys what I have in my bag and kind of just give you guys an overview of the bag and just how I store it and stuff. So first off, this is the Speedy 30 Bandouliere. It is in the, I believe it's called the Damier Ebene. Yes, I did not look at how to pronounce anything, so therefore I probably butchered all of that. But this is by Louis Vuitton. And so I just love this bag. I got this bag with the straps, the bandolier, because I love something crossbody, and I got it in this print because I wanted something a little bit understated, not in your face. And I got the size Speedy 30 because it fits a lot of shit. So first off, let me just show you guys what's in my bag. A little thing about me is I like to make my bags last a long time. This bag is got to be at least 3 years old, and it probably doesn't have any scratches. I don't think it has anything wrong with it at all, and the interior is pristine. So I am one of those people that if it's wet, it's not going anywhere near my bag. If it is dirty, it's not going in my bag. I take good care of my bag, and I put it away almost every single night. I literally take the bag, take the straps off, wrap them up, put them nicely inside, and then I put the dust bag on it. Sometimes I will leave my bag, it goes up there, you can't really see, but sometimes I will leave it on display, but for the most part I empty it out every night if I can. And I think that's really how you get your bag to last longer. And let me just tell you, I bought this bag as an investment bag. I bought this bag, I think it was 3 years ago, and it was like it was $200. Super cheap. No, it was like about $12.50 American dollars, I think. And then plus tax, I'm pretty sure it came out to like almost $1,500. And now this bag resells used for like $15.40. So let me tell you, it's a great investment, and it's super important to take care of your bags. It prolongs the life of them, as well as you can get your money back at the end, just because prices go up all the time. So let me just show you what I have. So I'm just gonna dig in, and first off, right out the back, I have, and I believe the brand is Samorga, S-A-M-O-R-G-A. It's a bag, I don't know what it's called, bag insert. And so basically this holds the shape of your bag, as well as it has rows to divide it, and you can literally store stuff super nicely in here. I have this. This, for the most part, this is something that just holds the shape when I store it too. But it is really easy if I ever need to take out everything, because I clean it out almost every day. I literally take the whole thing out, and you just squeeze it and take it out. And then what I also have in the very bottom of my bag is I have this. So this is like, it's just hard, and it's for holding the shape, because otherwise if you don't have it, do you see how flimsy this bag is? And I just don't like the look of it. So I think this really, oh, there's a couple of coins in there, preserves the life. So yeah, literally this bag, like I said, it's been about 3 years. That's the inside. Super nice. And I also don't have, I've had my lock because they always come with a little Louis Vuitton lock. It's inside too. I've never used it because I just don't want to scratch it and I don't need it on the outside of the bag. So this holds the shape. It makes the bottom hard, and then the other shaper goes in next. The only thing I would change about this whole setup is I would have gotten this red, because when you open the bag it's red, but this is black. I thought I was gonna be smart and it wasn't. I won't be able to see the dirt and stuff like that, so I got black. But I feel like when you open the bag all you see is black, and so it almost makes it look like a fake bag. I don't know, it's in my head. All right, so first off, I'm just gonna go through this quick, hopefully. My janky keys. I drive like an old 2003 car. It's half broken. Honestly, I put my money where my purse is, like nothing else. I have this cute keychain. Hold on. Of a unicorn. I just really like it. I like the big keychain style. I have my free Frosty thing. I don't know if you guys know, but if you donate $1 at the end of the year to the Dave Thomas Foundation for Adoption. Actually, I don't know if it's the same foundation every year, but Wendy's does this every year. You literally donate $1, usually in December, and they give you this thing and you get free baby Frosties for a year. I really never use it, but if ever I needed to, it's there. And what else? Just some random keys. Oh, my Planet Fitness keychain. I've been 3 times this year. So, I don't know. Next, okay, next I have the Too Faced Melted Latex lipstick in the shade Peekaboo. Love this. I love anything Too Faced. I'm a Too Faced junkie, so yeah, that's all I have to say is I have this. I literally have maybe like 20 of these. They go on sale all the time. I think Too Faced has been totally changing their collection lately, so they've been putting all their lip products on sale like half price, and I bought a whole bunch and I keep buying more and more. Oh, I have another one. This is the NYX lingerie shimmer gloss, I guess. Honeymoon is the shade. I got the one in glitter and it was super glittery, so this is the one in shimmer. It's more of a natural look for my lips. All right, and then let's see, I have receipts. I usually don't have receipts in my bag because I usually keep it spotless. Went to Claire's and I bought, where is it? I went to Claire's and I was trying to buy one of those things that goes on the back of your phone that you put your finger through like this. So I bought this one, and you put it on the back of your phone so you can hold it. However, it's really hard to like bend, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it, so that's why I'm keeping the receipts. And here is the case for that. Okay, I have my Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. This is a rollerball. This smells so amazing. I love this scent. This is like my luxury scent. It is so good. Got this at Ulta, and I think this was limited or something because I had originally seen this like a year ago at Ulta, and then I had to go back in and look for it. I don't think this is something they normally sell. Maybe they do. You could probably get this at the Dior store, but it's so cute for like a cute little rollerball. It's just, I like it. And that is like my scent. I really like floral scents, so if you like floral scents, give that a try. All right, this is my random junk. This is like so tacky. Like, I don't even know what this is. But this is a mixture of change, lip products. Ooh, I don't like it getting dirty with my change. So basically, I bought a coin purse. The coin purse hasn't arrived, and they're all my coins are sitting in here. This is Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the shade Peony. Amazing, love this one. Ew, everything is literally getting dirty. Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Hand Moisturizer. I don't know why this is in this bag because I don't like putting moisturizer on when I use this bag because I literally do not want the moisturizer to rub off on it. I don't know, I'm really crazy. I have business cards, I have gum, I have Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquefied Metallic Matte Lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. Didn't even realize I had that in there. It's like Too Faced video. I have, this is the Jersey Shore Spa Lavender Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. I got this in an Ipsy and I love this. It's a lavender chapstick basically, and it's super hydrating and it doesn't have all those cheap fillers. However, I don't think the company is still around because I've tried to buy this and I can't find it. And then I probably have like $3 in change. So yeah, nothing special. All right, brand new gum because you always need gum. I've got some sunglasses because, whoa, they are so dirty that it's like spots everywhere. But I like the big sunglasses, like, yes. Yes, I am here. Let's do this. But yeah, I just love big sunglasses. I always call these my hangover sunglasses. I don't really drink that much. I do drink, but not like crazy. But they're so dark that I just call them my hangover sunglasses. Love them. I literally bought these somewhere for $5 and I throw them around everywhere. I need to be more careful because those are like my favorite ones. A scrunchie, a cheetah print scrunchie. Let's see. I don't ever use it, but it's there. I don't even think it's been used. What did I buy here? Oh, I went to H&M and got 2 black sweaters yesterday. I got a large and a medium so that they're like big and loose and fall-like. And yeah, they were $39. I'm keeping them. I already hung them up in my closet, so yeah. I have my iPhone X, iPhone 10. Love this. Let me see. Your power is now coming from cleaner sources. So love this phone. This phone has great photo quality. And I just have a picture. It keeps loading a notification, but there's a picture of me and my boyfriend. We've been together for about 3 years. Well, no, we've been together for 3 years. We'll be 4 years in like 4 months. I don't know. But that's a picture of us at a wedding like a week ago. I have the Kittenish Patent Polish Lip Pencil by MAC. I don't think they sell these anymore. If you get a hold of these are so good. That's what's on my lip right now. It's super moisturizing and kind of gives like it's a balm feeling, a balm texture. I just really like it. And I have a nickel and this is it. I don't know if you could see that. This is what it looks like inside. So it is a little dirty, but it's so convenient. You can literally put your phone and stuff. And then the last thing that was in there is my wallet. My wallet is in the monogram print. I don't know what style wallet this is. My boyfriend actually surprised me for my birthday with this and I had no idea. And it turns out he had been looking at YouTube videos trying to find the best wallet for me. So I thought that was so cute and I'm so glad he was smart. He got the monogram because I love the monogram, and that's something that, as much as I love the print on my other bag, I wanted a monogram piece. So here it is. I'll just open it real quick, show you guys. I'm thinking about doing a review on these, on the wallet eventually, but I literally have $3. I have $3, a couple receipts, a couple coupons. Just like my purse, I clean this out almost every other day, or every day. I probably do every other day, but I literally only put the gift cards that I'm using that I'm more likely to use in the week, and then all my credit cards. And I don't keep change in here because I don't want to deform my wallet, so I actually don't even put change in the middle pouch. I think I have maybe it's the price tag. It says Louis Vuitton coated fabric cowhide leather lining made in USA. That's what it says. And then, oh, I think this is the name of it, Clemence MNG Fuchsia. So I think because it has, monogram. So I believe it's Clemence wallet. I like this wallet. I don't like the trifold wallets. They're too big and I just wanted something small and simple. This is really easy. Literally, when I walk out the door, I'm like sunglasses. I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wallet, phone, and my keys, and I'm out. Just like that. Like super simple. Yes, or this is if I don't have my bag. Otherwise, I have my bag and I'm like, yes. So that's my, what do you call it? My Speedy. Let me know if you guys want me to do a review on it. I was thinking about doing a full review because, to be honest, this bag I've had different feelings about over the last 3 years. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. But overall, I do like this bag and I do think this is a great bag. But I feel like there's a few things I would love to point out. So if you want to see that, let me know. Also, if you want a review on my wallet more in depth, let me know. You want to see anything else, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and also let me know, okay? All right, bye.